Meaning of digger.
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 Digger. The word digger can have different meanings depending on the context. In some cases, it refers to a person who engages in excavating or digging activities, such as in mining or construction work. In others, it may refer to an animal that burrows underground, like a mole. Additionally, digger can also be used as a slang term to describe someone who is enthusiastic about exploring or discovering information, particularly on the internet. Overall, the term digger describes someone or something that digs, burrows, or excavates.